Welcome back everyone. So let me quickly finish. I'm not going to create a lengthy video. So here we are doing an object string, extracting the data from an object and then assigning it, like this function is returning this array. So we can directly assign that to these variables. A will have the 1, B will have the 2. Similarly, this is called array destructuring also. So you can see this nested destructuring. What you are doing, A is 1, B is 2. So you can create an object, and here you are doing a swipe operation in a single line. Here also you can see this first value will as A, and what will the value of A and B? First value will be 1, second value will be 2, third value will be 3. A and B will get undefined values in this case. In this case, A will be assigned to the 1 and B will be assigned to, this is a spread operator, so B will be assigned to this array. So here we are just doing a destructuring of the right hand assignment and assigning that to the left hand. Similarly, a string interpolation or a templating string, this is more popular in the ES6. In the ES5, what we were doing, if you are going to create some string, then what we were doing, hello, and we were always doing this concat operation, X or some kind of A. Like if the var z is some variable and we want to write a hello world kind of statement, so we are doing this concat operation, okay? But now this is removed, forget about this. You can write each and everything inside the backticks. So this is like a statement only. So this is a legal statement in the ES6. You are enclosing that inside the backticks. So this will be treated as a constant string, and whenever you want to put some dynamic data, then you can use the dollar single parenthesis. So like if you have some value var, you want to write something var c equal to 90, then you can just put it like this. So this is one of the good enhancement in the ES6. No need to use the concat operation to concat the static string with some dynamic data. You can write it like this. So this is what we are doing in the ES5. This is the new syntax with the ES6. So this is called a string interpolation or template string. Okay, let's talk about some more stuff. Iterators, we'll talk about that. So lexical scope binding of the arrow functions we have covered. Let me just quickly see what all different things we have covered. A string regex expression, destructuring we have covered. How to write the destructure assignment. So this is called a function shortening. This option is returning the repeat and save. You are directly assigning that to here. So local repeat will get value true and the local save value will get false. So this is called object destructuring. This function is, this is an object, option is an object, and you are assigning that object to this variable. So local repeat will get the true and local save will get the value false. Similarly, after the object destructuring, this is also another example. So repeat will get assigned to the true, save will get assigned to the false. Destructuring can also be handled. So here we have the nested object like this. This option has a rules is a nested object. So even this can be assigned, like repeat will be assigned to true, save will be assigned to the false, and inside this custom has a value 10, okay? Inside the rules object, custom has the value 10. So custom will be assigned to the 10 value. So this is object destructuring or object assignment is making a lot of things easier. Otherwise, what we will do, var repeat equal to option dot repeat, var save equal to option dot save, var x equal to option dot rules dot custom. Okay, you were earlier we were fetching the JSON object using dot operator, but right now using destructuring you can assign it directly. Thanks everyone.